My next video is papakita ko naman kung ano yung tsura. Natin what we have today for breakfast. Hey guys, this is JE and welcome back to Vlogcetera. And for this video, of course, just like the other travels natin, I am dedicating a video for a hotel and room tour. And this one is for Toyoko Inn. So I'll be showing you kung ano yung itsura ng mga rooms nila here and also kung ano yung mga other areas that they have here. So if you want to know more about this place, stay tuned because that is coming right up. So, nakapag-check-in na kami guys and we are here at the 18th floor. Tingnan to, may dalang ganito. Kasi nandun sa lobby yung mga ganyan nila, mga toiletries and everything else. Including yung mga complimentary coffee and tea. So, we are now here inside the room and I'm going to give you a quick room tour. So, pagpasok nyo, this is the main door. Ito lang actually kalaki yung yung hallway niya. And then right after it, andito na yung pintuan nung toilet and bath natin, but we are going to check that out later. Actually, nag-video na ako dyan kahapon when we checked in. So, ngayon, medyo madami ng gamit na nakasampay, nakasabit, kasi nga, this is our second night here. Pero as you can see, ayan lang yung provision nila for your stuff. Walang cabinet, no? So nakasabit lang lahat dyan. The rest of our gamit has to stay inside maleta. And then, eto na yung bed. Nakikita nyo, nakadikit siya doon sa window. Pero here, yung sa window natin, merong parang sort of console, pwedeng umupo dyan. Magandang tumambay dyan kapag nagsa-sightseeing sa labas, which I did kaninang umaga. Yan. Tapos ito yung bed natin. And then here, we have yung side ng bed natin. Tignan nyo, ang cool. Ito yung parang pinaka side table niya. Ay, sorry, yan. Side table, tapos ito na din yung lamp. And then, across, ito naman yung salamin. Tapos katabi niya yung TV, dito na nakalagay yung mga complimentary water. Tapos, under nitong table na to, andun yung nakalagay yung mga pangkape, tapos sa pinakailalim nandun naman yung safety box. And then here, eto lang yung upuan if you want to work or maybe you could eat here as well. May katabi din siyang mini fridge dun sa ilalim. So yun na yun, yung kabuuan ng room. Yan. Para siyang style talaga ng mga Japanese room yung sa mga hotel na napuntahan natin sa Japan. It's just that parang mas malaki ng konde yung mga area niya here. Kasi sa Japan, as in after the bed, eto na. Parang talagang sisingit ka lang dito. Tapos, yun na yung table. And by the way, let me also mention na sa ilalim nito, kasya yung mga luggages nyo. So, yung other luggages na dala, nandun sila sa ilalim para hindi sila nakakalat dito sa daanan natin. So guys, this is how cute and very functional yung CR ng Toyoko Inn. Come in. Yan. Pagpasok mo, yan lahat yun. So ito yung shower area. Yan yung shower head with dispensers ng shampoo, conditioner, and body soap. And then may tub. Diyan na din yung shower area. Tapos katabi niya mismo, itong maliit na sink. Yan, diretso dun sa toilet with nakakabit na bidet system. And pretty much, yun na yun. Ito yung mga towels over here. May shower curtain, of course, and yun na siya. So pretty much, mukha talaga siyang Japanese inspired yung ano niya, yung the way it was built. Well, the fact that it's called Toyoko Inn. Ayun, pati yung ano nila, foot rag. Nakalagay yung branding na kanilang Toyoko Inn, including the other towels. So, very Japan yung itsura. Even the layout ng entire room, kagaya siya ng mga Japan, mga hotels na napuntahan natin. So, in my next videos, papakita ko naman kung ano yung itsura sa labas, pero kung ano yung yung itsura ng kinakainan dun sa second floor. Dun kasi sila-serve yung buffet breakfast nila every morning. Hey guys, we're here in the lobby of Toyoko Inn. Ayun yung reception area nila upon entrance. And then here, at the other end, merong mga ganitong gamit. Like, if you want to heat your food, meron ding water dispenser. You have the ATM for exchange of money. And meron ding vendo. Pero yung vendo here are for your essentials like toiletries. If you want to wash your clothes, meron ding detergent and fabric conditioner. They have the food and drinks as well. Dito sa area ng common CR for men and women, dito naman yung laundry area here. Yan, laundry area. And if you are going to wash, papakita ko mamaya. That's 2,000 won for washing. And then for the use of dryer, that's 1,000 won. Dito sa second floor is the place where they are serving their breakfast. Check natin kung pwede na kasi they are serving it or opening it on time. 6:28 pa lang. 6:30 kasi yung open. So looks like hindi sila nagpapapasok na even a minute ahead. So now it's 6:30, open na. Check natin what they have today for breakfast. Yay, thank you so much for watching, guys. If you like it, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and click on the notification bell so that you will get updated with more of my videos about South Korea only here in Vlogcetera. Until the next one.
Cracky.